Arduino SIM800 CBC charge level. Hello friends, our favorite SIM800L has an analog-to-digital converter, which is designed to measure the supply voltage. A separate at command, CBC, is provided for obtaining the measured value. In this video, we will get acquainted and work with this command in detail, as well as write a parser for the data that it returns to numeric variables. Now is the time to share the link to this video with your friends. It will help us a lot to keep making videos like this. Subscribing and your likes also help. Go ahead. In the documentation for SIM800L, the decoding of the CBC command is as follows. The first command is informational AT plus CBC equals ? It will return the possible response options, that is, what can be expected from it, and the request itself must be submitted without a question mark, that is, AT plus CBC. And in response, we should get the voltage in millivolts, the charge in percent, as well as the conditional state of the charger. There are three such states: not charging. Charging and charging is completed, but I did not find any traces of charging functions in the SIM800L module, either on the block diagram or on the wiring diagrams. Therefore, I called the states conditional. Other GSM modules have chargers inside, and they have a power input and a battery output. SIM800L has only a power input, and the voltage on it will be measured. This is a very convenient feature of the microassembly under study, especially if the device is powered by a battery. So you can remotely organize sending information about the power status of the device to the owner via the web interface or via SMS. To demonstrate the work of this AT command, as always, I will use the best practices from past videos. I will take the last program, as well as our ready-made module for Arduino Nano and SIM800. I open the Arduino IDE program with the sketch from the last video. Here I first remove the ATD command and the delay. I clear the loop function and insert a new CBC command into it. I remove the SIM800 reading function and make txt a global variable, leaving it outside the functions. I will need it to parse the measured voltage values from the response from the SIM800. Now I go to the GSM tab and add the assignment of the text response of the GSM module to the txt variable. I upload the sketch to the controller and start the port monitor. To the CBC command, SIM800 responds with 3 digits. 0, it does not charge, according to the instructions. 63 is the battery level in percent. And 100% here is taken somewhere around 4.2 volts. The third digit is the voltage in millivolts. In this case, my supply voltage is 3.911 volts. We checked the command and decoded the answer, and now I propose to automatically select numbers from this text and transfer them to numeric variables. We make changes to the program. We add lines for parsing the battery percentage from the text variable txt. We will store the resulting number in a bat variable of type integer. Also, a printout of the value of the bat variable in the port monitor has been added here. We load the program into the Arduino Nano and start the port monitor. We get the parsing of the battery charge level. Now we go further and organize the parsing of the same voltage in volts. I load a new program and watch the port monitor. So we got the SIM800L supply voltage, It is now easy to include this data when sending a message to the host via the various communication technologies supported by the module. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Expect our new releases soon. Also visit the site arduino-engineer.com. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.